I didn't even get to smash anything!
Hold it!
You twerps are no match for Bulldozertron!
Bulldozer, eh? We're about to bury you. It's morphin' time! Activate beast power! Unleash the beast! Transport Beast X Saber!
That won't stop me!
Beast X Cannon, ready! Beast Blast! Get him!
You're gonna regret messing with me!
Take the Morphers. Steel! It's Blaze and Roxy! I see him! That Morphex isn't going anywhere!
Actually, it is.
Try and stop us. With pleasure! Get down here! Hey! Should've worn your seatbelt! I know you don't have a license! Bad move! Beast X visor linked! Activate! Beast X mode! Beast X mode ready!
Nothing can bulldoze through me!
You got another thing coming. Nice! You guys finish him. I'll go help Nate and Steel.
Copy. Come on, Devin.
Cheetah charge!
Jackrabbit spin strike!
He's no match for beast power.
Oh, yeah!
Hands off!
Should have minded your own business.
No! We can't let them take the Morphex! Nate, Steel, you guys okay? We're fine, but they're getting away!
Better luck next time, Rangers.
Not on our watch! Beast Blast! The tanker! Yeah! Did you really have to blow up a perfectly good truck? It was necessary to take out Blaze and Roxy.